The sun is shining and I'm feeling blue. They'll think I'm whining and it's probably true. I've listened to the forecast and I've watched the news. The grass is getting longer, got the lawnmower blues. And now we're off as fast as I'm able. Try not to daydream, run over the cable. Mow around the garden, checking the borders. Everything is not quite in order. What's that space by the tulips? Flipping slugs have eaten my cowslips. Should be finished quite soon with a bit of luck, but the grass is wet and the mower clogs up. Have to clean out that slimy stuff. First go inside, turn the power off. Back to the garden, round and round, eyes fixed firmly on the ground. Time to empty the box again. It's the 7th time, but mustn't complain. Open the gate and out to the bin. Tip up the box, throw the green stuff in. Finished at last and soon to bed, as soon as everything's safely back in the shed.